Meeting people. Hello kids. Now we are going to learn about some great scientists. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is regarded as the foremost scientist of the 20th century. He is hailed as the father of the nuclear bomb and was honored with Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921 for discovering the law of photoelectronic effect. Sir Alexander Fleming discovered the lifesaver penicillin, a type of medicine that kills bacteria. He got a Nobel Prize in 1945. Penicillin revolutionized the treatment of various infections and disease. Jatin Das, a revolutionary who died in the Lahore jail after a 64-day long hunger strike. Jatinder Nath Das, also known as Jatin Das, was an Indian freedom fighter and revolutionary. He was imprisoned in Lahore jail to be tried under the supplementary Lahore conspiracy case. Chandrasekhar Azad. He shot himself dead in Alfred Park, Allahabad, as he was not ready to be captured by the British. He was involved in Kakori train robbery 1926, the attempt to blow up the Viceroy's train 1926, and the shooting of Saunders at Lahore 1928 to avenge the killing of Lala Lajpat Rai. Formed Hindustan Socialist Republic Association with fellow compatriots Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, a social reformer from Bengal. His efforts were instrumental in getting the Widow Remarriage Act being passed in 1856. He was a Bengali polymath and a key figure of the Bengal Renaissance. Vidyasagar was a philosopher, academic, educator, writer, translator, printer, publisher, entrepreneur, reformer, and philanthropist. Annie Besant. She founded the Ventral Hindu College at Varanasi, which later evolved into Benares Hindu University. She was a prominent theosophist, women's rights activist, writer and orator, and supporter of Irish and Indian self-rule. Dr. Besant started the Home Rule League in India for obtaining the freedom of the country and reviving the country's glorious and cultural heritage. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. This great social reformer was the founder of Atmiya Sabha and Brahmo Samaj. He fought for the rights of women. Raja Ram Mohan Roy is known as the maker of modern India. He played a major role in abolishing the role of sati. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a great scholar and an independent thinker. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. Jyotirao Govindrao founded the Satyashodak Samaj in 1873 for the upliftment of the lower sections of society. We know him as he was an activist, thinker, social reformer, writer, philosopher, theologist, scholar, editor, and revolutionary from Maharashtra, India. Jyotiba Phule and his wife Kranti Jyoti, Savitri Bai Phule, were the pioneer of women's education in India. Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Besides being a passionate freedom fighter, he was a social reformer. He became known to the rural poor as land distributing god. He is best known as the founder of the Bhudan movement, Gift of the Land. In 1958, Vinoba was the first recipient of International Ramson Magsaysay Award for Community Leadership. He was also conferred with the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, posthumously in 1983. Desmond Tutu fought against apartheid. Tutu chose teaching as his profession. After serving as a lecturer for few years, he pursued theology. He was the first black person to become the Archbishop of Cape Town. He also became the first black bishop of Johannesburg. Tutu is the second South African to receive Nobel Peace Prize. Henrik Ibsen, dramatist. Ibsen's education was interrupted by poverty, and at the age of 15, he was apprenticed to a pharmacist in Grimstad. Although Henrik Ibsen was never fully appreciated during his lifetime, he has since come to be recognized as one of the greatest dramatists of all time and the father of modern dramas. Nelson Mandela fought against apartheid. Nelson Mandela, former president of South Africa. Mandela served 27 years in prison. He joined a law firm as an apprentice. Mr. Mandela qualified as a lawyer and in 1952 opened a law practice in Johannesburg with his partner Oliver Tambo. He won the Nobel Prize in 1993. Ronald Reagan, US President. Ronald Reagan was the 40th President of the United States and the 33rd Governor of California. He began a career as an actor, first in films and later television. In 1980, he defeated Democrat Jimmy Carter to become the 40th US President. Sir Walter Scott, novelist and poet. After completing his studies in law, he became a lawyer in Edinburgh. As a lawyer's clerk, he made his first visit to the Scottish Highlands directing an eviction. He read widely in English and continental literatures, particularly medieval and Renaissance chivalric romances, German romantic poetry and fiction, and the narrative folk poems known as ballads. Hey kids, these are the quotes of some famous people. Samuel Johnson. The true measure of a man is how he treats someone who can do him absolutely no good. Dr. Johnson was an English author who made lasting contribution to English literature as a poet, essayist, moralist, novelist, literary critic, biographer, editor, and lexicographer. Albert Einstein. Not everything that can be counted counts, and not everything that counts can be counted. He received the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics for his services to theoretical physics, and especially for his discovery of the law of photoelectric effect. He is often regarded as the father of modern physics. Thomas Jefferson. I find that the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Thomas Jefferson is the author of the Declaration of Independence and third President of the United States, was this nation's greatest champion of representative democracy and the rights of man. Jefferson succeeded Benjamin Franklin as minister to France in 1785. Thomas Alva Edison. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. An American inventor, scientist, and businessman who developed many devices that greatly influenced life around the world, including the phonograph, the motion picture camera, and a long-lasting, practical electric light bulb. Neil Armstrong. A small step for man, a giant leap for mankind. He is an American aviator and a former astronaut, test pilot, university professor, and United States naval aviator. His first space flight was aboard Gemini 8 in 1966 for which he was the command pilot. Kids, we should know more about these famous people. Bill Gates. He is the chairman of Microsoft Corporation. He brought revolution in the computer industry. World's richest private individual. Rupert Murdoch. He is a publisher and entrepreneur, US. He is the owner of the 20th Century Fox and HarperCollins. He also owns several newspapers such as The Times and The Sun. Amerigo Vespucci, Italian explorer who explored Venezuela. America is the name after him. Ferdinand Magellan, famous Portuguese navigator. He was the commander of the first expedition to circumnavigate the globe. He found the Pacific Ocean peaceful and thus named it so. Vasco da Gama, Portuguese sailor who discovered a sea route from Europe to the east via the Cape of Good Hope. He was the first Portuguese sailor to come to India and reach Calicut on 1498 May 20th. Christopher Columbus. This Italian explorer is known as the discoverer of Americas. He discovered the Bahamas, Cuba, and the West Indian Islands.